Have you ever gotten a bill and done a double take? You know the feeling. Everything seems normal, groceries, utilities, the usual suspects. Then there it is, a charge you don't recognize. Maybe it's a subscription service you forgot about, or a random app purchase your kid made. But one name you might not expect to see is Ooma. Ooma? Isn't that internet phone company? The one promising to slash your landline bill? If you're an Ooma customer staring at an unexpected charge, you're not alone. So why exactly is Ooma hitting you with a fee? Let's break down the most common reasons you might see Ooma on your bill and what you can do about it. First things first, are you absolutely sure it's Ooma? Sometimes sneaky billing practices can hide charges under generic names. Look for the full company name or a reference number you can match to your Ooma account. If you're still not sure, contacting Ooma directly is always your best bet. Now, assuming it is Ooma, the most likely culprit is simply exceeding your base plan. Ooma offers a variety of plans with different features and included minutes. If you make a lot of international calls, for example, or go over your monthly minute allotment, you'll get hit with overage charges. The best way to avoid this surprise is to understand your plan. What's included? How many minutes do you get? Are there any international calling restrictions? Most plans are clear about this upfront, but it never hurts to double-check the fine print. Ooma also offers a variety of add-on features, like voicemail transcription or additional phone numbers. These features come with a monthly fee, and it's easy to forget you signed up for them in the first place. So, take a close look at your bill and see if there are any unfamiliar charges listed under add-on services. If you spot a surprise add-on, you can usually cancel it through your online account or by contacting Ooma customer service. Just be aware that some add-on services might have a minimum commitment period, so you might still be charged for the current month even if you cancel right away. Another sneaky fee to watch out for is equipment charges. While Ooma does offer free basic equipment with some plans, some fancier devices come with a monthly rental fee. This might be listed separately on your bill or bundled into your overall Ooma charge. If you're using a rental device and don't need all its bells and whistles, you might be able to swap it out for a more basic model with no monthly fee. Just contact Ooma customer service and see what your options are. Finally, there's always the chance you've been hit with a one-time charge. Maybe you needed to upgrade your equipment or add an additional phone line for a special occasion. These charges should be clearly listed on your bill, but if you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma for clarification. Look, unexpected charges are frustrating, but with Ooma, there's usually a clear explanation. By understanding your plan, watching out for add-on services, and keeping an eye on equipment rentals, you can keep your Ooma bill predictable and avoid any nasty surprises. Remember, a little proactiveness can go a long way. So, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with your Ooma plan and keep an eye on your monthly statements. With a little effort, you can keep your phone service affordable and frustration-free. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time,